Good morning, I'm meteorologist Steve Krasnowski with your weather briefing storm scoop update. It is Thursday, February 25th, 2021. We'll call this one Mum. We have some things going on, but in the large scheme of things, it's been rather quiet for the area. So let's look around, see what's going on around the country, around our parts, that whole thing. And I thought maybe we'd end it with some model madness with running through the models, showing what we got going on. For whatever reason, Tropical Tidbits is down, so we'll show some model things, but we won't go extensive. I don't like pivotal in terms of ease of read and use. Anyway, before we get there, today, sunny, windy, some gusts up to 30 miles per hour. Throughout the Northeast is a windy morning, but the northwest winds will tend to slowly diminish throughout the day. Temps won't move much, mid to upper 30s in the hill towns, 40s elsewhere. So, a little warm out there, which brings us to Florida, where the warm-up is happening. This weekend, we're going to have 80s for a big chunk, maybe some 90s. So, some might argue winter is over. It's up to you to decide. But Florida looks booming. 7-day rain precipitation maps showing totals. Coastal South and Florida are pretty dry. Midwest, on the upper plains, dry. It's pretty dry even in the Northeast. Dry down the Four Corners, but Pacific Northwest doing its thing as it always does. Let's look at Saturday. Total precipitation for Saturday, mostly a rain event. Rain breaks out around 4 to 6 across western areas, slowly moves east. You got up to maybe up to a half inch north of the city, approaching that city in Long Island, and then it cuts off pretty well down south. Looking at what that might look like, northwest looks like it starts as wet snow. Eventually it'll be rain everywhere as temps climb to the 45, 50 mark. It'll be breezy, southeast winds, so that'll be pumping that warm air in there. So if you're seeing snow at any point, it will be going bye-bye. Western areas will end first, moving east. West-east shuts off. And that's about it. Let me try and show a little bit of models. Totals not working either. So this is what we're left with. Anyway, no big issues over the next few days in regards to snow or ice. And next week looks like it's with the current trend of being warm. So here we are, having a little bit of that respite. Anyway, that's it for me then. We'll come back to some models tomorrow, and we'll talk then.